everybody, welcome back to another 2020 Toyota Tacoma video. Well, I'm at Nick's house today and big project going on. We're gonna lift the truck. So we're just getting set up. We'll do some before measurements and I'll let you see those and we'll go from there, so stay tuned. All right, just doing some before measurements. This is the left front. This is 35 inches even. We're gonna do a before and an after comparison. So 35 even, here at the left rear. 36.25.
I'm done with it, right?
What?
I got it right on the line. Oh, I did. I'm stupid.
Yeah, this is the, you wrote left rear on this one too. On the right rear, 36.25. That's okay, we know what it is. Oh, and here on the left front, AKA the right front, 35.123? 125. So this truck from the factory does have a bit of taco lean. I did get a 1/4 inch spacer from Headstrong. We'll see how it works out. All right, just getting started. Got the TRD skid plate off. Got the tie rods undone. Going to town on it. All right, right front strut is out. How long has that taken so far, Nick? About
20 minutes.
20 minutes to get to this part. So onward and upward. Oh, I suppose we should take a look at the new suspension. I ended up going with the Rough Country 3-inch loaded struts and approximately 2-inch lift blocks for the rear. No, this is not King's. No, this is not Bilstein. But then again, those are 4 times the price. And not something I need, in my opinion. So this will do the job. All right, doing the left front now. Dale's here. All right, I did pick up this 1/4 inch spacer from Headstrong Off-Road, and there's the part number right there. This seems like a pretty quality, I'm assuming billet aluminum, to hopefully take care of the taco lean these trucks do tend to have. So I guess better safe than sorry, we'll throw this on now.
Beer me.
Bryce is here.
Somebody beer me.
Just a second.
My beer hand's empty.
What were you saying when you walked up about Dale's truck?
That Dale was in front of me this morning. Or
Where?
behind me.
Where at?
You're getting on the freeway. I saw you. I was like, hey, look at that old man in the sand-colored Tacoma. It's like, he used to be cool, the Challenger, now he's just an old man in a Tacoma dropping beers all over the place.
Is that alcohol abuse right there?
That is alcohol abuse.
Yeah. But this one's ready to be shotgunned, so that's the thing, too. But you didn't see me on the freeway. I was like triple tapping the brakes, and
Oh,
you can't see that far. Okay.
There's so many red Dodges out there. Everybody's got one.
They're like assholes. Everyone's got one.
No, I didn't.
Oh, okay. What's up, buddy? How are you?
Good.
What's up, Mike?
What's up?
Is Nick done yet?
Almost.
He's knocking it out.
Says he has that really cool new Milwaukee ratchet.
Oh, he already talked about it.
Yep. Now, if he upgrades to the one I have, the extended reach.
Is that
Yeah, that was
penis
a joke.
extension?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
okay.
Yeah, that was a joke.
Penis joke.
I need you to do a ghetto alignment.
Yeah, we can do that. Should have brought my alignment kit over.
I assumed you would.
I
Don't you have a travel alignment kit?
Yes, I do.
Take on airplanes?
I think I have to check that because there's probably a sharp object in there too. Have we fixed the welds on this yet?
There we go. It's off, Bryce.
Oh, that's why I didn't see the ugly welds. Okay. Good. What are you putting on instead?
Always got a shit talk, don't you? I would expect nothing less.
Did you get the two-wheel driver?
Small.
Yeah, look, I got little small tires on it.
When's the last time you had your eyes checked?
Costco, baby. Costco.
Spectacles.
Both of us are. Yes.
Nick, you done yet? But I'll be in the shop all day, Mike. So when you're
Oh my God.
old and you can't see how you read, you look through your bad eye lens with your good eye, and it's.
Why don't you take a picture of it and blow it up?
You don't need to.
Oh, okay.
But Bryce has his bionic eye out. He can.
Yeah.
This is why I'm not taking you shooting.
I'm actually a pretty good shot, dude.
Just like Dick Cheney.
On purpose.
Hold that out to El Cajon. Maybe you can see it then.
There we go. Okay.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, it's 28 foot-pounds.
There you go.
Son of a...
Tie your shoe like a big boy.
I'm gonna double knot this bitch. Oh, you're still filming?
Yes.
Okay.
Tell us what you're doing, Bryce.
We're removing these Bilstein shocks right here and putting in the less Bilstein-y shock for an improved ride. And
Improved ride.
yeah, improve something.
I think you're supposed to take that off, actually.
Huh?
You're supposed to take that off.
What? I think just kind of what's in here.
Okay. Do you know where it's supposed to be cut?
Yeah, I can see where it's gonna be cut.
He does.
I got my OSHA approved tinted safety glasses on.
Did you know OSHA does not approve tinted safety glasses inside?
That's why they're indoor outdoor glasses.
But they're tinted and new. You can't wear those inside.
If only we knew somebody that had another Tacoma
Hey,
that I could sell this stuff to. What,
No, no, I don't.
sir? Do you have a Tacoma, don't you?
I do. But it's not fancy.
This is Dale's engine cover.
Hey Dale, make sure that your Tacoma can get fancy with the Bilsteins, okay?
I can get them in a good
You know what I love? Working in somebody else's toolbox where you don't know where anything is. By love, I mean not really.
Now I'm gonna have to bleep that out, Bryce. Thanks a lot.
What? Your algorithm can't have fussing?
No,
What?
it's not approved for children.
Well,
Neither
children
are-
shouldn't be on the internet without their parents' guidance anyway.
Right. Tacomas aren't legal for children either, right? Hey Mike, go ahead and drop this down.
Got the right rear done.
I think we ought to put your tire.
But what?
Nothing.
Yeah,
Yeah. It's gonna be closer, Mike.
we'll have to push the garage door up. What do you think, Nick?
That's good.
All right, we'll finish it up. Do a final walk around. What's the verdict?
35 and a quarter to 38 and 3/4.
Probably settle a
So,
bit.
yeah, roughly 3 inches.
Yep.
3.5.
Here's the telltale sign. It's gonna
Hey,
sit.
it's level.
It's level. So thank God I did get that spacer. No taco lean. This side's a little higher.
It's an 1/8 inch lower.
Which side is?
This side,
1/8 inch lower?
it's an 1/8. Well, it's only an 1/8 of an inch. It could be my garage floor being unmuffled.
All right. Well, it's the next day. The lift is all finished. I'm really happy with the way it turned out. I love the wheels, love the tires. Tires look good. They're not noisy. They seem to handle pretty well. So just to recap what we did, added a rough country 3-inch suspension lift, and that's 3 inches in the front and 2 in the back, and it sits level. In addition, I did add a 1/4 inch Headstrong off-road spacer on the driver's side to get rid of taco lean, basically. And from what I can tell, this truck does sit nice and level. No issues. So the wheels are Fuel Blitz, and they are 17 by 9 with a +1 offset. And you can get everything, you can just search Fuel Blitz. I probably won't bother putting a link in the description. I'll just tell you what this stuff is because links expire rather quickly, and then everybody always wants new links, and I don't sell this stuff. I don't have any control over the links. So I guess the best alternative is for me just to tell you what it is. Again, Fuel Blitz, 17 by 9, +1 offset. And with that offset, I don't have any rubbing at all that I could tell. No cab mount issues, no fender liner issues, no front bumper issues. I did not change the upper control arms. I don't really see the need to at this point. I'm not having any issues. I'm gonna get the truck aligned in the coming week or so after I put a couple break-in miles on it, and hopefully that shouldn't be an issue. So as far as the tires, they are Nitto Ridge Grappler 285/70/17, and you can see the tread pattern looks pretty good, nice and quiet on the street. Here in the back, have the matching rough country N3, I believe it is, nitrogen shocks, and the lift blocks, which I don't know if you'll be able to see. Yeah, there they are right there. Those came with the kit, and for less than $600, I think it was actually a pretty good deal. I know a lot of people tend to trash talk rough country, but you know, the fact is this is not a $4,000 or $5,000 lift, and that would have blown my entire budget. It's great if you want to do that, and I'm sure you will definitely get what you pay for, you know, for Fox or King or Bilstein or whatever. If that's in your budget, go for it. But that's not in the budget for a lot of people, which makes this essentially a step up from just a spacer lift, where you just reuse your entire, you know, factory system, your shocks, your struts and everything. And there's nothing wrong with that if that's what you want. But if you are looking for just the next level, a little step up, then a kit like this is probably the way for you to go. And after my research, that's what I found that would be the best fit for me. So I'm not gonna do hardcore off-roading. I mean, I will take this off-road, but it'll be desert type situation. I'm not gonna jump the truck, so that's not gonna be an issue. Here at the front, you can see the factory TRD skid plate, which came on my truck. It was added at the factory, and I actually really like the way it looks. I bought this particular truck because it had that. I knew I'd be lifting it, and I think it looks pretty cool. Haven't had any issues with the TSS, Toyota safety system. The sensor back there, not a problem. Haven't had any issues with any of that. Strangely enough, my tire pressure monitors have not come on, and I'm expecting that they will, although I have driven the truck probably about 60 or 70 miles since the lift was done, and they're actually, all 4 tires are reading 31 pounds, which I know is not correct for these, because these, I checked them and they're at like 34 pounds. In fact, I need to set, because when they shipped them, they either lost pressure or they weren't too careful putting the air in. So I will adjust those just as soon as I finish this video. So I do imagine I'm gonna have to go to the tire shop to get the tire pressure sensors calibrated to the truck. From what I can tell, that's not something you can do. These are aftermarket sensors that I bought, $180 worth, so my old wheels and tires are complete. The old ones are still there, so I'm gonna hold on to those for now. All right, here into the back of the truck. It's gonna be hard to see. It's a little on the dark side. I did end up getting the Rough Country red shock boots. I don't know if I'll keep those. They're made for these shocks. They're bunching up a little bit. I'm not sure if I will end up keeping that or not, but for now. So overall, the truck drives nice and straight. Like I mentioned before, I'm going to get an alignment done, but they do recommend waiting a couple 100 miles for the suspension to settle before you get an alignment, but that's something I'll do in the coming weeks. I definitely like the way the truck looks, especially with the Pro Grill and these Laminex covers, I guess you call them, for the factory fog lights. I think maybe the next thing might be some side steps. I actually have a set. I may put them on there. Not sure if I like them or not, but I may put them on. They're easy to put on and take off if you don't like them, but I think I'll probably give them a try. So I guess that'll pretty much do it for this video. If you have any questions, put them down below. In the description, you'll find, like I said, not the links. I'm not going to put links for these because they do expire, but the description of the parts. And let me know if you have any questions. So until next time, we'll catch you on the flip side.